So today, back at Toyota, looking at the Premier Edition again, which launched earlier in this year. Hopefully you can hear me. It's a bit windy today, isn't it? But yeah, they launched this early in the year. If you go look at my other video, I looked at an urban car key on the launch day. I showed it to you. And then I've spotted this one. This is the Titan Bronze. So you know when something catches my eye, I take you on a 4K walk to have a look at it. So let's have a look. This is mainly the colour today, because we've already looked at the spec of the Premier. These are like 32.5. This colour's an extra £685. So I thought, you know what? You'll appreciate it. I'll show you what this colour looks like, because I've not seen it before. So I'm pretty sure you haven't either. And sun's just come out, so I thought I'd give it a quick catch in the sunlight, see what you think. Look at that. Great looking colour. It really is. See, we looked at the urban car key, which was a bit of a Marmite colour. Some people liked it, some people don't. It's got a really nice polished alloys. Black cap, come with JBL. We'll have a look inside. We looked at the other one the other day, like I said. Go back and have a look at that video. Admittedly, my YouTube's a bit of a mess at the moment. I need to organise. I'm going on holiday next week. Taking you with me, 4K actually. We're going to fly Emirates A380 over to Dubai, staying at the Atlantis. So subscribe if you want to come with me on holiday next week. We'll go there for a couple of weeks, for 10 days. But today we're looking at this car. And anyway, I lost track. So yeah, I'm going to organise my YouTube, because at the moment it's got aviation and cars even on my YouTube, and I'm going to try and separate it. So if you want to go back and look at the other video we did on this, you'll be able to do it a lot easier as of next week. So I'm going to get some time. I'll be on holiday, like I said. Normally I'm a bit busy. I work in media. I do aviation and cars. We've looked at these before, haven't we? Seats are very good, aren't they? Look at these. For a Yaris Cross spec, it's got the 10.5 multimedia. It's got the wireless charging, all your EV modes, leather steering wheel, very well trimmed. Good spec in the back. This is a two-wheel drive 32.5, like I said, 685 quid for the paint. You get all-wheel drive in this now. It's 34.5, 35, something like that. Parking sensors. Just need to have a look. It's got the HUD as well, heads-up display. Clock set's all pretty much the same. We'll power up. We'll have another look in here. As with all Toyota hybrids, these are really quiet, smooth to drive. Like I've previously mentioned, you can almost have like an ASMR session in here. It's just so easy to hear things in here. Great screen, and you've got you can just about make it out, look, the heads-up display. Said this one, look, is brand new, just arrived, so I thought this is catching my eye, so I'm going to take you and show you what we got down here. I got a camera view, so you get the old 360 camera on there. You've got JBL tweeters in the corner, JBL speaker in the back. We're going to have a look at that in a sec. But it was a quick look mainly at the colour. Unlock the boot. Like I said, we looked at the urban car key, didn't we? So it's a quick look. A bit of a rough video today. I haven't got much time. I've got to get things done. Electric tailgate. Boot in these. You've got a little false floor. If you go and look at my other videos as well, I've done a two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive comparison. The four-wheel drive's a bit higher. Do these have, if I remember rightly, I thought this had a JBL speaker in the back. I was wrong for a change. But yeah, just the colour. What do you reckon? Titan Bronze, £680 optional extra. Like I said, we've looked at the urban car key. It's the only two I've ever seen, the urban car key and this. I quite like this. In the sun. Sun's just come out for us. You know, I always like talking about the weather. Sun has just come out, the engine's just cut in. It's a hybrid, self-charging hybrid, which we love. I've got a RAV4, another video I've done. Go and have a look at that. Which, like I said, will be a lot easier as of next week when I organise my YouTube to a bit more categorised. I'll categorise it, that's what I'll do. So let's just have a walk round. Look at this colour. It's what we came here to look at. Titan Bronze. What do you reckon? Better than the urban car key? I do like it. I think this colour really does suit it, actually. It gives it a bit more of a prestige look rather than a funster look, if you know what I mean. But yeah, as always, if you enjoyed that video, please do give it a like. It helped my channel immensely. And like I said, next week, I'll take you with me 4K to Dubai. We'll fly Emirates A380. What I'm going to try and do is post as I go. So I'll get to the airport, post after that. And so if you need to know anything in Dubai, give me a shout and I'll try and sort it out, get a video. As like I said, I'm staying at Atlantis for 10 days. Hopefully get a bit of R&R. Take you with me. What's not to like? Anyway, that quick walk round is done. You have a great day. I'll see you again soon.